guys, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, welcome in general. My name is Reese, and today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I flat ironed my natural hair. Now just keep in mind, I am not a professional. I don't know all the tricks and tricks to getting a perfect flat iron, but I tried my best and I actually like the results. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm looking crazy, but I'm starting on freshly washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned overnight hair. I'm only going to be using one product, and that's this Silk Elements heat protectant spray. So I'm going to be spraying this on every section before I start, and then I'll also spray it at the end over my whole head. This is the blow dryer that I'm using. It's a yellow bird with a comb attachment. There are 4 settings: cold, warm, hot, and very hot, and I'm going to start on hot. And then after I do the whole head, I'm going to go back through everything on very hot. So this is how I'm looking now that I blow dried my whole head. Take some more of the heat protectant, spray it all over. I'm going to put it on very hot, and I'm going to go through and blow dry all over. But I want you guys to see kind of how it looks right now. So it's blow dried, but it's still puffy. So after I'm done doing it on hot, you're going to see the difference. Look, it already looks like straightish. You see, and then it just falls nicely. My hair is fine, so it's always like lightish and flowy. But I might go back in and blow dry it a little bit more. But you guys get the picture. Here's a close-up of the texture now that I went through and blow dried it on hot. So you can see it definitely got even straighter. Okay, so now I'm going to get into the flat iron. So this flat iron was actually sent to me by Duvolle, and this is the flat iron that I'm going to use. This is the Impulse Professional flat iron. It's called like the infrared flat iron. So they sent this to me. Thank you to them for sending this to me. I do have a coupon code that you guys can use that will get you 70% off. I believe the coupon code is Carise, which is my name. But I'll leave the code on the screen, so if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and use that code and get 70% off of your order. This is what it looks like. So it's just this matte black. Super cute, actually. I'm gonna plug this bad boy up and get started. This cord is super long. That's convenient. So there's the on and off switch. I'm gonna turn it on. 270, 320, 360, 410, and 450. My hair is super, not thin, but fine. And so I look crazy. I'm gonna go to 410. I'm definitely not gonna do 450. I'm gonna do 410 because, you know, I want to get it as flat as possible. So let's get started. So I'm gonna wait for this to heat up, and then we'll get started. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at the infrared. That's so cool. Look at that. Infrared. Let me find out this about to work some magic on my hair. Anyways, I'm gonna be using this brush for, hold on, I see some lint. But I'm gonna be using this brush for the chasing method. Alright y'all, so I'm just about done. You can see the flow. Ooh, it's flowy. But the only thing is, like, every time I flat iron my hair, I never get that super silky look that I want. Like, I feel like I need to use like silicones or something maybe. I don't know, it's like I need something on my hair to keep it from reverting. Cause look when I first flat iron it, and then once it settles, like that shit already trying to revert. No sis. Raggedy. Alright y'all, so this is what it's looking like. You know, nice and flowy. It's actually pretty shiny. I'll show you the bag. Look at that flow, honey. I love how it's light and fluffy. I almost feel like I need like something heavy on my hair. I don't know, to make it super flat. Does that make sense? I'm gonna add some of this. It says heat protectant and smooth and shine polisher. I'm gonna add some of this and then wrap my hair, and we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. Alright y'all, so it's the next morning and my scarf actually stayed on. It was kind of uncomfortable though, like this little knot right here, but I'm about to show you what it's looking like. Okay, I wanted a wide tooth comb. I don't know where mine is, so I'm gonna use a pick. Hopefully hopefully it's not greasy. Y'all, this really reminds me of me in high school. Like, I literally, this used to be my hair routine. Like, I would only wear my hair flat ironed. Wow. This is so funny. Alright, y'all, so this is what it's looking like. It is definitely flat. It's flowy. So I think I want to go and curl the ends because these are looking real crazy right now. So I went ahead and gave myself a deep part, pulled out a little bit of hair on the side, and now I'm just going to go ahead and bump my ends under. Same Duvolle flat iron. I love this matte look. So I set it today to 360. I usually like a bone straight look, but since my hair, it just always is like so, even though it's straight, it's so fluffy. I have to go to the salon to get the bone straight look. I look like I'm straight out of the 80s with this bump. Like, that's a super bump, but it helps my ends look better. I'm not about to keep putting heat on it, so this is gonna have to do. This is the look, sis. Put a little Aaliyah vibes. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, check out the description box for that coupon code to get 70% off of the flat iron that I use or anything else on their site. So yeah, thank you again. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.